Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Lee and this is my Science Fair District slideshow. My science fair was which rifle has further distance, a pellet rifle or a BB gun by Aiden Lee, January 15, 2021. So my question was which rifle would have further distance with the best accuracy. My abstract was I wanted to talk about gun safety because I did take a gun safety class before doing it, and I looked into all the components of each of them to know how they shot and everything. There are many different barrels and many different calibers for pellet rifles and for other rifles. My hypothesis was that the pellet rifle would shoot a further distance with the best accuracy. My variables were a Crossman single action pellet rifle with scope, a Daisy multi-pump action BB gun with scope. It was a little windy that day and it was about 39 degrees. I shot with my left hand because I'm left eye dominant, so I can't shoot with my right hand until I learn to get my right eye to work that way. So the pellet rifle's exit velocity is 1,200 feet per second. With one pump, you can't pump a pellet rifle, and a BB gun velocity is at 800 feet per second with 10 pumps. So my research was by Western Hunter. He just got out of the Marines in the military when he did this, and he had an option to go to a field and do it, and he got to do it on a train, a little bit on a train, and on a big field. My materials were a Daisy multi-pump action BB gun with scope, Crossman F4 quiet fire single action pellet rifle with scope, and a 10 easy aim by alien MFG targets by BB ammo. The Daisy was a .177 caliber, 0.4, 0.5 mm lead shot. We use those for both. And I did have a silencer suppressive fire on my pellet rifle. So I was outside shooting at a Boy Scout friend's house. I'm a Boy Scout. We were using MFG targets, which are typical shooting range targets. I had to sight in my both of my scopes before I shot them. So my first feet was at 30 feet. And we were going to do it at 15, but that was a little short. So 30 was where we started, and the BB gun and pellet rifle both did very good at 30 feet. At 40 feet, the pellet rifle, it was getting a little windy around that time, a little bit more, and so the pellet rifle kind of led through, but the BB gun was staying consistent. 50 feet, the pellet rifle kind of bumps back up and is doing really good, where the BB gun is kind of dying off. My field adjustments. So this is a picture of me shooting at the place. I decided to only move them 5 more feet to the next target. So 55 feet was, which I did. So 60 feet. This is where I ended it, because this is where I would be. Like 60 feet is a typical range if you were shooting a squirrel or a bunny. So these are both the things. So the BB gun was not doing that good. The pellet gun did do very well. So this is my graph, all my data in it. So this is my conclusion. Overall, the pellet gun shot the same in accuracy with a few differences, mainly due to human error or wind. The pellet gun did need adjusted, but it was very good. So my works cited was by westernhunter.net. They go over different types of rifles and things. They're a really good website. I really recommend them. Thank you guys, and have a good day.